Hello everyone, welcome back to Prod Hut channel. Today we are discussing the best home gym equipment for women. Finding the best home gym equipment for women is notably essential and mandatory, especially in the present times when leaving the safety of home and exposing yourself to unnecessary pollutant and germ is not suitable choice. Moreover, shuffling between managing a promising career and providing caregiving at home barely leaves any time for women to spend on themselves or step out to work out in a gym. Hence, having a healthy body along with a well functioning household and meeting the office deadlines seems like a far fetched idea. Consequently, it is a common sight to see women not pleased with their own bodies and feel specifically unhealthy or lacking in physical fitness. The added worry of not having a healthy body adds more burden to the already stressful situation of running a happy, healthy household and stepping up the ladder in the career sector. Thus, following a routine of unhealthy lifestyle and a displeased mind, a woman seems to be at crossroads where she has to choose between staying fit or looking after her family. But why even let this issue arise when you, a woman, can have your cake and eat it too? The perfect solution to this otherwise troublesome problem is to have your own home gym necessities. Hence, you can feel more at ease while you work out away from prying eyes while keeping an eye on the household chores and not sit a single step out of your daily house. Here are a few benefits that a woman can take advantage of while setting a personal women's workout gym at home. Benefits of a home gym for women. Privacy and security. Not having a private place to work out is one of the things that highly trouble women. It is one thing to leave your chores at home and find time to work out, but if on top of that you have to put up with a public workout area that makes you feel insecure, there is no pleasure left in exercising. Security and privacy are something that women demand, and not having it in gyms is a bit off-putting. Hence, having a home gym helps women maintain their privacy and work out without a single care. Comfortable atmosphere. Privacy and security add to comfort, but more factors are playing the part than just the two. For example, a woman feeling unhealthy and not right in her skin will most likely not want to work out at a public gym. Having to see the perfect and fit bodies of others will only add to her mental stress of being out of shape. Thus, she will not feel comfortable while she exercises. Luckily, a home gym can help women work out in their comfort zone and without any glaring stares of other excessively fit gym lovers. They can work out their own space, manage their exercises, and get in shape on their own terms and with peace. Equipment of personal choice. It can be frustrating to enter a crowded gym and find that your favorite gym equipment or gym area is under use. The same can be said for when the equipment you usually use gets stuck or becomes faulty by the hands of an inexperienced user, and you have to put up with other workout equipment. Well, if you have your own home gym necessities, you will never have to wait for your turn and use your favorite gym machine whenever you feel like working out. Ease of working out. Specifically, taking out time for working out and crowding your daily timetable with necessary daily routines can be a bit exhausting, especially when you also have to count the time of commuting to and fro to the gym. Working out feels more like an annoyance than pleasure, but as you bring your women's workout equipment to your home, you can easily work out anytime you have to spare and can forsake the worries of commuting to and back from the gym every day. Spend more time with family. It is a problem if you are not able to spend time with your family if you go to the gym. You may also end up having to abandon the gym if you want to look out for your household is an issue that can take up the fun of exercising. As you bring your gym equipment home, you can work out whenever you want and spend the rest of your spare time with your family. In fact, you can use your workout moments as a family bonding time where you family members can work out and exercise together. A family that works out together will stay together. Cut the cost of expensive memberships. Good gyms with enough equipment and a sense of privacy demand quite a fortune. And if you have more than a single member in your household that likes to work out, the collective membership cost will be astronomical. The added expense of traveling to and fro the gym can also add to your expenses. This all can be cut down and saved if you have a gym at home itself. A single time investment can help you cut costs in the longer run. Develop your career. Managing a beautiful family and an admirable career can be exhausting at times. So maybe a woman will not feel like working out at the end of a tiring day. The stress and exhaustion can also lead to depleting performance at the office. But if you have the best equipment for the home gym, you can work out in spare time and spend the rest of the moments for taking your career to splendid and successful heights. List of essential equipment for women in home gym. A pair of dumbbells. Dumbbells are an essential part of gymming and exercising. Almost no gymming exercise is complete without the weightlifting or use of dumbbells. Not only a good pair of dumbbells make you fit, but also provide additional strength to your arm muscles and leg muscles. You can work on your triceps and biceps using these dumbbells and get a remarkable body. Being fit and healthy not only makes you look good, but also gives you the confidence that a woman needs. Ankle weights. You can get good quality ankle weights at a very affordable price, and if you are on a low budget, consider buying a pair of second-hand pieces. You must get one as they play an essential role in fitness and flexibility. Another popularity of ankle weights is that they aid muscle growth and burn more calories than most of the other equipment. But you must have proper training before using them solo and get some expert knowledge too. Exercise bands. Almost all gym lovers know the job of role of exercise bands in fitness. Resistance bands or exercise bands are here to make you look fit and put your back in shape. Along with their adventure of providing a variety of exercises, they also help in growing your muscles and toning them. There is one of the most budget-friendly equipment that you can have for your home gym. The price of exercise bands can vary when compared to other gym trends. Unlike most of the other gym equipment, resistance bands are the most lightweight and portable. You can carry them along with you wherever you go. It easily fits in the bag. You can carry on some stretches on the journey as well. All of these qualities make the resistance bands the best and the cheapest women's fitness equipment. A Smith machine. You might feel that buying a Smith machine can go out of your budget, but it is kind of all-in-one equipment. The vertical bar in the Smith machine allows you to do free weights and barbells. You do not have to spend money on buying weights and other such items. The exercises that you can do with a Smith machine at your place include shoulder presses, squats, deadlifts, etc. All of these exercises help in building muscle, and it is user-friendly equipment. Water rower. A water rower helps you in total body workout. It is an excellent alternative to outdoor rowing. This is a useful device for women who have posture issues and back problems from long hours of working and continuous sitting. It is an excellent full body workout and burns calories much faster than cardio exercises. You can exercise on it at your home and listen to the soothing sound of water along with the exercising. Treadmill. The treadmill is a part of women's home gym equipment since ever and holds its significance to date. For beginners, the treadmill is the basic gymming equipment. Before performing intense exercises, the warm-up is essential, and the treadmill comes handy for this need. You can go running outside your house also for the same reason, but for convenience and privacy, a treadmill is essential. Here are some of the top picks of gymming equipment for women. Amazon Basics Thick Dumbbell and Barbell Grips. This is an original Amazon product and has a very affordable price range. They come in handy in an intense workout, and you can also use them as dumbbells and barbells. The handles are wrapped securely for better grip and thicker diameter. It is made from high quality silicone rubber and has engraved cross hatching for optimal strength. You get 1 year warranty along with the product. Its dimensions are 4.8 by 4.4 by 2.2 inches length into width into height. PowerMax Fitness TDM 98 1.75 HP. Investing in this product is worth all the money and efforts as it comes with a lifetime warranty. It has 1.75 HP DC motor along with a 5.5 inch LED display to show speed, time, distance, calories burned and heart rate as well. Its speed is adjustable from 1 km per hour to 10 km per hour. Other than that, it has a 5-layer anti-skid and a grass texture running belt. FTSY Adjustable Ankle Weights. Ankle weights are one of the essential workout equipment for home and are also budget-friendly item. A pair of ankle weights is handy gym equipment for both men and women. This product is fully adjustable and versatile. It is a perfect pick for cardio exercise as well as for your fitness goals. It is designed in a way that gives maximum comfort to all users and is a durable product. Kamachi Rowing Machine. If you are a pro at gymming and need a device for all intense body workout, this device is for you. This water rowing machine has full motion arms that allow full range movement. Its sleek and solid frame provides optimal support to the user. It is one of the best all-in-one gymming equipment. You can perform a variety of exercises with it, along with cardio and intense workouts. Body Fit Heavy Resistant Band. It is a suitable pick for both women and men who are looking for a low-budget gym equipment for home use. It is one of the best equipment for a home gym as you can perform stretching and warm-up exercises with it. This product has heavy resistance bands that are easy to use and have different resistance levels. It is multi-purpose equipment and takes your exercise to a whole next level. You can use it for strength activation, activate hip movement, to get back in shape, improve posture, and for much more other purposes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share and subscribe to Prodheart channel.